Okay, hello. My name is Jared Stark, but if you're watching this video, you probably know me better as jjinc24 or maybe U800, something like that. I don't know. Point is, I'm me, I'm Jared. My channel that I've had for 11 years mysteriously disappeared. So I'm here to explain why that happened and what I'm planning on doing to restore, to grace YouTube with my presence again, as it were. Okay, so first of all, long story short, I accidentally deleted my Google account and everything associated with it, which included my long running YouTube channel. Um, I was trying to migrate away from the Google platform. I had a G Suite or Google Apps for Business account for some emails. And long story short is I thought I was just deleting my subscription, but it turns out I was deleting everything associated with that subscription, including all the accounts and anything associated with those accounts. So that's why my channel mysteriously disappeared about a month ago. And I am currently in college right now, so I have been incredibly busy. Um, and to be honest, YouTube's not exactly a priority in my life right now, but I still want to be able to make sure that I can I have a pretty good archive of my videos, so I'm gonna try to be getting my channel restored manually bit by bit as I have time. So this video is just a brief explanation of where did jjinc24's channel go? Is it coming back? And the answer is kind of, we'll see, hopefully, probably, but stay tuned. And if I have any new fire alarm content to share, you can bet on it that I will be sharing it here with all of you. So please, if you want to, go ahead and subscribe to me again. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much all I had to say. So thanks for watching, and I will hopefully be able to restore my presence here.